Otherwise, Karin is perfect.
Of course, it's not Karin's fault.
It's the closest to this. Oh, that's that's the BGLU costume from G.
It's not quite orange.
Oh, it's
I mean,
it's orange enough.
Orange to me. It's orange enough.
He's one of us now.
Oh,
It's orange.
Oh god, the lag.
yeah,
Oh, okay. No. Yes. No. No. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
no.
The excuses.
Yeah,
No,
I wasn't playing last time.
I think. No, it's okay. I think.
It was no excuse
But
last time.
Is it lag? But I think for me personally, it's the game just having light hiccups.
I mean, PC Master Race, bro.
Oh.
Oh, the PC
Hey.
Master Race.
What to do against a character that has godlike buttons?
Nothing.
Apparently, and I say this because someone plays G told me, G can actually challenge Karin's neutral.
Okay.
Does also have good buttons?
Actorus challenge. What are you doing? Come on now. It's easy.
Yeah, that was one medium kick too much. That was one.
No, that was too late, but it's okay.
Too late. Ooh, nice. Oh, no.
Nice.
Can you confirm out of the crouching medium kick for G?
Probably.
Think so. Wait, didn't try.
Yeah, you gotta work on those.
Oh shit.
You see, every time you hit one of those crouching medium kicks, you should follow up with something
Ooh, nice.
to get that chunk of damage.
Oof.
Oh, oh, that cross up. Oh, that cross up. Look at that.
Oh shit!
Yo, come on!
You fucked that up!
No!
We got set up.
Come on, no!
No.
Just
okay,
do it.
yeah.
No! Don't do it. You know. It's still
And I fuck up the meeting.
Come on, he's still alive.
We believe.
I believe. No. I believe you can't fly.
I did fly. I did really. I did fly
That's
really.
That's EA or
Yeah,
Really
Capcom,
In the
please.
corner.
That's EA in the corner. It never hits.
That's why you play Vega.
Every time I see Vega, I think of that sketch, with Pete Holmes, where,
Yeah.
where the guy plays that Vega type, and he's
Yeah.
like with his mask. This mask is used to protect my beautiful.
Hey,
That's actually canon.
I stab, I fight, I stab, I fight.
Yeah. So,
You're lost, my friend.
How else should you lick a cloud?
Oh my god, those buttons!
Oh my goodness. Yo, bye, box. You got the same colors, like I see the same shade of move.
is that Christmas outfit of Karen?
Yeah.
Okay.
But not the Christmas outfit though. What?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I mean,
I've been a bad boy, Karen.
you'll get punished either way. So
Yeah.
No.
Maybe that's what I wished for all along. What? I wish you a nice punish, 3-framer punish. What? Yo! Oh. Damn, that Orochi. Wow.
Oh my god.
Shit is tense. 8, 7. Oh wow.
that was close.
Ah, Vega buttons suck so much.
That was really close.
The central match.
That was knap. What?
I was in you.
Oh god.
Watch out now. Oh, nice. Make it save, I guess. Watch out for the stun. No! Try to shimmy. Na, na, na. How? How?
The range.
Oh, wow, and the damage though.
Those poor boxes.
Wait, they should know better. What?
Oh,
wow! He's got confirmed spinners.
Okay. that button, please. Where's my?
Okay.
Wow. Cross. That was actually pretty late.
nice.
To get a life lead early on, so I could force him to play offensive. Defensive figures are so annoying to play against.
That's the only thing I can.
Nice. Ow.
Wow.
Not funny. What?
I didn't hear shit.
I think it's funny. Puyo.
Wow, that code looks a bit weird. I mean, during the animation.
Oh, that wasn't. I don't have meter for viewers. I want to push you back into the corner.
Wow.
Oh,
No. Your reversal doesn't work, son. You know that.
That's true.
Because it's the mechanic that
no!
keeps you away from pressure, but no.
That charge. He's charging so much. He's charging so bad.
Scissors.
Oh no! I blocked the wrong side.
No! Mamidi! I hate you.
Oh shit! I blocked the wrong side.
And grab the range. I'm too used to Samson. And so I'm in your face. The grab doesn't work. What?
Oh shit!
No, I didn't believe. I didn't believe. Oh fuck. Poof. No, no.
I will die after I blocked the last one.
Okay. Wow.
Why did you mess it?
That wasn't messed up.
I can't hear you, right?
What?
The Discord is fucking up so bad right now.
Now we hear you.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe if you scream?
No.
I can't. I simply can't.
That's dead.
Oh god, the drop combo.
Could've.
Oh my god.
Wow.
That wasn't even the true combo, right?
I don't know. Yes. It was a true combo.
Okay.
That fucking comeback only because you dropped.
The Street Fighter 5, baby.
Every character has this fucking comeback V-trigger and carrying it. Nothing.
I mean, you played against Vega, right?
Well, at least now we know.
Round 1. Fight.
completely blocked against Dice. I know how it went the last time, so
No. Do light kick maybe? Okay, or do that.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, you have enough time to react.
I think so.
Oh no, it's... Hey. Oof, nice. Back to the
Yeah,
now.
smack that plane.
What? Was it cross up?
I think so.
That's
Okay, I didn't. Okay, it was hard for me to tell.
Yeah, you have to...
I really thought it would go through. So
It's like his jumping medium kick is really ambiguous. Oof. Oof. Nice. He found something. Psycho power. Nice.
Here we go. That's no.
Nice.
Can be cancelled into something else.
Bull.
That's
Oh.
sweet though.
yeah.
No. He's gonna sweep.
Oh no, I tried.
Oh no!
No.
That was
That was EX, was it?
too slow. It was the X, but
Yeah, but EX is multi-hit. EX.
Yeah, it was exactly. It's not that it's slow. I think it's the fact that it's multi-hit.
I see. I thought you just
Yeah.
fucked up the timing. Well. So this is it for now. Some nice Street Fighter 5 action with the boys from the fighting corner.
Yeah. All them Joes. Thanks to Solv and Acteris to join us.
Thanks for
joining
having
us. Yeah, no problem, man.
Yeah, 5 joining. Better than 4 joining. What?
What?
Alle drei zusammen. What?
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Have a good one, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.